outside, bro. Oh, there's more of them over there. What that flag mean? Look at this. That flag mean? What? Shechna? Messiah is coming. The Messiah?
The Messiah. They don't even believe in Christ.
That's the Messiah? Coming. That's what they said.
They don't even believe in the Messiah. Find a real army of God, please.
We're going to take the kingdom. We're going to rule them hard. This is war.
What, man?
This is war. This is war.